It's a strange thing. This bird lives alone here on this cage and outside this cage, but inside the house he's the only one. But today I saw this egg. I don't know if you know this. Can you explain? Can you explain me this? I saw eggs there. You see egg? And this bird, I don't even know if it's female or male, but today I saw eggs there. I don't know it's fertile because I don't have male here. And it's strange thing happened here with the bird. I'm not sure how to explain that.